morning, guys. We're back out on the water again, and it is an absolutely beautiful morning out here. We're up here on Georgian Bay. We're going to do some exploring around the island, maybe see how far we can get north today for a little bit, and just basically, it's a day on the water, just having some fun up here on Georgian Bay. So hope you come along with me, see what we can find, and yeah, we'll have a good time. So let's get this day started. Let's go. I don't know if you can hear it, but over on the hunting island they are shooting today, so we will probably not be going over that way because I don't want to get shot. I don't know if you can hear those gunshots, but anyways, let's head that way and see what we can find. All right, guys, let's go. Ruins a good day. Let's see what it is. Oh, just a can of freaking twisted tea. Surprise, surprise. Guys, if you see garbage in the water, please do your part. Help out. Helps us enjoy this beautiful water. I'll throw that out when I get back to shore. What a letdown. Oh, all right, let's go. All right, guys. So that was a nice run. So we're now at Hay Island, which I've had you come to before. The island that we were going around at first was that island right there, which is White Cloud Island. So we kind of we launched off from the mainland there and went around the west side of White Cloud Island over to, right now we're on the very tip of Hay Island. This is the west side, that's all mainland right there. So guys, what I think we're gonna do is just continue this run. It's just a beautiful day. I don't got much for this one, just because I just want to be out here and explore and see what happens. So whatever we run into is what we're going to film, and like I said, just enjoy the day. let's get going. I'm really using the let's get going a lot, guys. I feel like I might be overdoing it. I should really bring back punch it. Okay, actually, you know what? I'm gonna have a quick little drink. Time for breakfast. Good old can of Red Bull. Not sponsored. Anyway, all right, let's get going. Damn it, I did it again. All right, guys, well, we've made it to the north tip of Hay Island, and basically what you're going to see is over there, that tip over there is oh, hold on, that tip over there is Cape Croker, and that's where the Cape Croker lighthouse is. We'll save that for another video, maybe when we make a run up to like Lion's Head or something like that. And then this is all mainland. If you look back this way, I don't know if you can see it, but this is Hay Island. Then you can kind of see the tip of Griffith Island, and then all the way over there is the tip of mainland again, and that's actually towards Meaford, Ontario. And then if you were to go, hold on, let me figure about where that sailboat is, you'd be heading straight over to Perry Sound, and up that way you'd be heading towards like French River and stuff. So anyways, we're going to keep going this way, make our way around, and get to one of my favorite runs. I absolutely love doing the run on the west side of Hay Island. It's just one of the most beautiful runs you can do. You can be really close to the shore and really rip it. So let's head over there make that run, and then we'll see where we're gonna go from there. All right, come on, let's do this. Oh gosh, I keep going to that. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. Wow, such a fun run that is. Alright, let's see. So we're back down at the south tip of Hay Island now. So, yeah, the day's still young, so let's see what we find next, okay? Alright, so one thing we're going to do is I think we're going to shoot across to the mainland over there, kind of go down there a little bit, see what's over there, and then from there we'll make our way back to the ramp and stuff like that. So, let's see what we can do. Alright then guys, let's go. I just saw something here. It looks like an opening. Let's see if we can get in here. Like the opening's right there. I'm just curious what it is. Okay, and kill engine. Huh. Ta-da! Touchdown. Okay. I'm not really worried about the CD taking off. It's pretty calm over here. So she's looking beautiful, but this looks like ATV tracks. ATV trail here? What the what? I take that back, that was terrible. There is an ATV trail here. Huh. Look at that. See if I know where this is. I know some buddies from Energy Powersports would love to come check this out. I mean, it's pretty well developed. We won't go far up it. You see past this turn here. Oh, wow, yeah. Like, it keeps going. I mean, with the amount of use of it, you'd think this is a public trail. Again, this could be on someone's property, who knows. Yeah, cool. I was like, what was this? You could see this gap in the tree line there. So, you know us, we have to come out and explore it. Nothing like getting off the machine and checking out some cool stuff. Yeah, so you can see like there's a gap here. Caught my eye. It almost looks like there was a road going that way, but that's been kind of covered over. And then it goes this way. Interesting. Okay, well, let's head back out and keep on exploring. All right, guys, well, let's keep going, see what we can see. All right, guys, back onto the Sea-Doo. Surprisingly, water's not that bad. Alright guys, well that pretty much wraps up this adventure, so thank you so much for coming along with me out here and exploring just Georgian Bay on a beautiful morning. Thanks, I just want to say thanks again for coming out on this adventure with me. Guys, thanks for all the likes, the comments. I love getting back to you and hearing all your comments and stuff, and thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for all you guys that have subscribed. It really means the world to me. So until the next adventure out there on the water, be safe. Peace!